Oh, hey everyone. I'm pregnant with a second channel, William Osman 2. I'm no longer pregnant. William Osman 2 is ready, and it's there, and there's a video on it. Arby's, the sandwich restaurant, sent me a box, and if you want to see what's inside it, go check it out. I'm gonna post lots of cool stuff there, including low effort content. There's only 21 subscribers right now. It's not even monetized because apparently that's how it works. You don't need ad block. You don't need YouTube Premium. It just, nobody wins except for you. Anyways, go check it out. And I hope you enjoy the premium high effort content you're about to watch right now. Welcome to Egg Drop Challenge. This episode is with Alex.
Ernst.
It's kind of a cool last name. I've never heard that anywhere else.
It means serious in German.
Is that actual?
I'm serious.
Ernst.
I was going to wear my glasses today so I would appear smarter. It was going to be a propaganda tactic.
You know how the Egg Drop Challenge works. The Egg Drop is a science experiment for young children and YouTubers, where each competitor is responsible for building a contraption capable of protecting a raw chicken egg from a dangerous fall. Let's go to the dollar store and buy the ingredients we need to protect our eggs. Welcome to the dollar store. Do you think they sell apple cider vinegar here?
Maybe.
Maybe we'll go dig for it? Come on. I have the same realization every time I walk in here to do an egg drop, is that I've thought nothing through. I have like no plan, and then I have to scramble last minute to figure
scrambled eggs.
Scrambled eggs. 2 for 99 cents, or is that $99?
Oh, it's already dirty.
Oh, that's cool. That way you don't feel bad getting it even more dirty. $3 each.
$3 each.
And you're not allowed to use packing materials unless you have a really good idea and you can ask and then you get permission. That's the Bobby Duke rule. The idea is to be creative. Yeah, just throw the egg in there. How are you gonna cut a hole in the coconut?
I'm gonna have to throw this off the roof first. I'll put it back together.
Okay. Did we go over budget? Yes. Is that okay? No. Hot glue, tape, glasses to make us look smarter.
Propaganda.
It's not included in our budget, right?
No, this is production value.
Well, do you want to show me what you got, Alex?
Pikachones, banquet mayonnaise, lunch bag.
Oh, that's it for you.
Yeah, that's all I got, actually.
Okay. Oh no, they're all falling out. I got a 6-pack of dollar store beer. Did you know the dollar store sells beer? Also, did you know the dollar store doesn't really sell things for $1? So
the beer was $3.
It feels really cheap.
Dollar.
This is my whole budget. I spent my whole budget on a 6-pack of dollar store beer. People are gonna know we're smart because we look smart, and then they're gonna, we're gonna confirm it when both of our egg drop contraptions survive.
I'm looking for my reflection.
You have a plan?
Yeah, I have a plan. Well, there's a problem.
Yeah.
There's a problem.
Yeah.
Make your thing.
Why?
Make your thing.
But we have to set a timer.
Make your thing. But I don't know what I'm doing. We don't have eggs.
Oh, we don't have eggs.
That's a problem.
Caretaker, can you help us get the eggs?
Don't throw it.
Yeah.
Are you trying to channel your mother?
No, wait.
You look exactly like your mom.
We were trying to look smart, not like moms.
You look like your mom.
Do I look like a hot librarian? Oh no, because if
you
she
look
says
like your
yes, that means
mom.
my mom looks.
Because your mom always wears her glasses, especially on the edge of her nose, because she can't see anything.
Oh wow, I look.
You look old.
Dude, I look like
old.
I look like Arthur.
Yeah. Oh, do we want to talk about the free ingredients?
Oh, so we also got free stuff.
Wait, it's a whole long story.
Go on,
So it went like this. So we left the dollar store and there was an old man with American flag balloons.
Then we turned back and saw he was being confronted by the police.
Are we about to see a man go to jail for holding American flag balloons? I'm so confused right now.
Are the balloons free?
I don't know.
If the balloons are free, we can go get one. Let's go ask.
I don't want to get arrested. And then we walked back over there and asked him for free balloons.
Are the balloons free?
Those?
So yeah.
For you?
Are you giving these away for free?
For sure, why not?
Yeah.
Good guys.
They're very American.
You need it.
We got 2 free balloons, and the guy who was promoting what was he promoting?
His laundromat.
His laundromat. That's why he had the balloons, because he was promoting a laundromat. It was the grand opening of the laundromat. So he gave us a coupon to said laundromat for a free laundry bag. So we went there, and we got a free laundry bag.
It took a solid 10 minutes for them to find the laundry bag. It was crazy.
They went through every shelf, and then they found them. That's how the story went, right?
That's I think so.
I think that's how it went.
Was that a bad? I mean, it's kind of a weird story. For extra materials, 2 American flag star balloons. Ah! Don't let it pop! Ah! There's nails sticking out the entire ceiling. And the free laundromat bag. Shall we start the timer? Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm getting drunk.
It's
All
in
right,
your
you ready?
eye.
It's kind of refreshing though. I don't know why that was refreshing.
Just the
Just to like,
beer mist?
yeah, I don't know why.
This is
All right.
William's review of dollar store beer. Height, extra drinkability since 1933, but how come we've never even seen it up until today? I think that's a conspiracy.
What's it taste like? Miller Lite. It's like a dollar store version of Miller Lite.
Okay, well I have to empty these, so 1 second, guys.
Oh, we started? The timer start? Timer started? Okay.
I couldn't drink it.
Is it bad?
It's too warm. It's just not. Tell me about your plan. I see you've got a bag full of.
So the plan
chips.
is to put the egg inside the mayo because the mayo will add some cushion. So I put the egg in and so I'm gonna have to lower some of the mayo.
Caretaker, can you get a straw?
I still, okay, that should be enough. See, I'm putting the egg inside now. Layer it in there. Did I put it? Did I put it too deep? I think I put it too deep.
It's too late. You should have bought dollar store gloves. Come here. What am I doing?
Now, if I were to just leave this egg alone, I hope I didn't just break it because I just added my own pressure to it. So there's no, I hope I didn't break it. I might as well just check.
No, God, please
Real
don't
quick,
dig
'cause
through.
the contest is-
No.
No, the egg is completely fine. But I need more cushion. Cushion for the pushing.
You can use scissors, right? Okay,
No.
I'm gonna go get scissors.
How much time we have, though?
I have no idea, but I've done literally nothing.
Can you grab me some napkins?
Yeah.
Please?
Why?
Please?
High five. Aye!
Alright. I feel like I already won.
Man, you're just like really going at it, and I am really doing bad over here. This is sort of embarrassing.
Are you pulling a prank on me?
No.
You didn't hard-boil your egg,
No,
did you?
You can tell. You know how you can tell? If you spin it, stop it, and let go, and it keeps going, that means it's not hard boiled.
Or you could just do this and you'd find out if it's hard-boiled or not. I didn't just lose, did I?
Kelsey!
One time I thought my grandma was handing me a hard-boiled egg
Yeah, you took a bite
to
out of it,
eat, and I was like,
and it wasn't.
it wasn't hard-boiled. I don't know why.
Is that where you learned that trick?
I thought that it was hard-boiled. Yeah. I was gonna hit it with my head, but I was like, no, I can't.
Alex broke my egg.
One more option.
Okay, that's fine.
Throw it
Just
here.
toss it up.
No.
It breaks again.
Stupid.
How much time do I have left, by the way? 2 minutes to do everything. What are you doing? I have no idea. I think I'm making a crumple zone right now. I'm like cutting slices in the can, and hopefully, when it hits the ground, these slices will compress, and I'm making everything up right now as I go. I'm gonna bleed all over everything. Dun, 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 dun.
How's your thing going?
Not good. I'm trying my best, damn it. And I'm afraid to ask how much time is left because I think Cameraman John is just being gracious right now. 30 seconds. I'm poking a hole in the egg. Oh, this is very stressful.
Keep some helium. I gotta keep some helium.
Oh, what
So I gotta go fast?
What if we just breathe the helium and that's how we
Did I?
used it,
Did I
you
just breathe it in?
know? No, but I mean...
I feel like I did. I feel like there's a small part of my voice that
Is pitched down a little bit.
Or pitched up.
my voice is pitched down.
I just need like... Oh, did you just learn that hockey was hot too? I don't know how, but every time I somehow managed to like disappoint myself more than the previous egg drop. We didn't even use the free laundromat bag. That was like a whole ordeal too. Let's head on out and drop our eggs.
Did the camera see me? I added some tape here. Camera saw.
Well after time. Pardon the construction. Welcome back to the...
Science channel.
Our neighbor is very rude. He doesn't understand we're doing important work up here. Tell me about your egg drop contraption, how it works, and what you call it.
Well, my egg drop contraption is, it's something.
Yeah, it is.
This here on the outside is an American flag balloon. We each have the American flag balloon because this is the 4th of July special. that you said would be what?
Late. Posted late.
Late. But anyway,
Wait, why did you pop your balloon?
happy belated birthday, United States, am I right?
Yeah.
I popped my balloon because I put paper bags inside this balloon. So there's 2 paper bags with, maybe it was 3, I don't remember. And within the 4 bags is a jar of mayonnaise. Inside the jar of mayonnaise is my egg. Closed jar of mayonnaise, egg, 4 bags, maybe 5, maybe 3, I don't remember. With the pork rind, the look-alike pork rinds, the cousins, the pork rinds cousins. Not the real pork rinds, they're cousins. Vegan pork rinds, am I right?
What do you call it?
I call it America's diaper.
That's a pretty good name.
Well, Will, tell me about the egg drop.
Okay, so I've got 2 cheap beer cans, dollar store beer cans. There's a little bit of beer in there. The bottom can has no beer in it, but it's been sliced to form a crumple zone. A zone that can crumple. In the top is the egg that's been haphazardly taped on. Under the egg is the lid of one of the cans on top of some beer.
You think it's gonna work?
Yes.
What do you call it?
Oh, I call it America's pastime.
Let's drop
Let's just throw him off the roof. Do I look like a librarian?
No.
Oh! All right, I'm gonna go first. 3, 2, 1, drop. Oh God. No! It just no! No! No!
I'm scared I'm gonna fall off.
Oh, want me to hold you?
No. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
I don't know, that sounded pretty good to me. Better than mine. Mine definitely was like a boom! What we had here is a failure. This is really, it didn't even kind of work.
I didn't think it would work at all.
Thanks. Yours is kind of like a present, you know, like a Christmas present.
No leakage at the bottom so far.
It's completely sealed.
You gonna find an egg, yeah?
That's how we're doing like open heart surgery and we just found all the cholesterol. Oh yeah, this is the best part. You can stick your fingers in. Yeah! It totally survived. Good job, Alex.
Thanks.
Oh, that's something else. That's something else. It's good for your skin. It's like a, with the sand plus the mayo, it's like a lotion and an exfoliant.
Oh yeah, Matthew, stop it. Oh my gosh.
Sunscreen. You literally could not tell this wasn't sunscreen. Can you tell it's not sunscreen? It looks like sunscreen, doesn't it? You want to do another one?
Yeah, we can do the coconut one.
Team effort this time.
Team effort this time.
Did somebody say disappointment? That was pretty bad, right?
No.
The good news is we accidentally bought a watermelon and a coconut. So let's do a redemption really quick. We're gonna use this. We're gonna use your surviving.
I don't
egg.
need a redemption.
I need a redemption. Yeah. Yeah. All right, everyone, shield your face. I'm gonna wear this. Let her rip, Alex. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it looks. Oh, it's moldy. Don't smell it.
What do you mean? I'm not supposed to smell it?
Yeah, mold.
I love the smell of mold.
Oh, that's awful. We paid $1 for that. How much should we pay for that? Let's just go. That's really gross.
Should we return this?
Yeah, we should. I think if we just cut a hole here and then shove the. I think I've seen Michael Reeves do something like this with a cantaloupe.
You just ruined my day.
Oh, I got none of it in my mouth. Yeah. This is our redemption arc, my redemption arc. You've already proven yourself. I've failed many times. This time it definitely won't fail. We've got a watermelon with a beer can on top, and the egg is about 1 inch in there. Look at that. You see that? It's sealed. It's a sealed beer can. Do you want to crack the seal, Alex? It's so stupid. Let's drop this bad boy. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my God!
Is that the egg?
That's the egg!
Did it live?
Oh, it's just barely cracked. That worked way better than it had any right to. Holy crap, it exploded. We just got our cars washed this morning. She's gonna be so butthurt. That was awesome. I cannot believe the egg even kind of survived. Look at it, it just barely. That's a win. I'm gonna count this as a win. For how violently the watermelon exploded, I cannot believe the egg is not like just obliterated.
I literally got it washed this morning.
Dude, good job. It's pretty good for $1 for a watermelon.
Ernst.
Congratulations, Alex. You are one of the many winners of this challenge, and I once again am one of the many losers. Anything you want to say? Anyone you want to thank? Oh, this is dog. Hey, dog. Hi, doggy.
Well, I want to thank that dog.
Come here. Wallace, don't eat that.
I want to thank Wallace for eating the watermelon, because now we don't have to clean it up.
Wallace.
Bad, sorry. Come on.
Good meeting you, Wallace.
That's it? That's good. That was a good outro. All right, we'll see you next time.
You go bury the watermelon.
Hi. How do I get broken
Hey,
up?
I'm kind of actually really nasty right now. William Osman 2. Go check it out. What is in the Arby's mystery box? Oh my God, I'm so happy right now.